So Sudan will end election. But not take election for 2020. This 2026. The question is, the munu album she election for 2026, for 2026, min gabila badadenga. Because Salva Kiir mabamje. Salva Kiir is already gone. Salva Kiir is not a candidate. The munu denka bejibu for election, if there is an election. Lana ma for election assassin. There's no election. There's too many reasons why there should be no election for Senate. Too many reasons. But let's give Denga the benefit of the doubt. Let's give Dinka the benefit of the doubt. There will be election. Utum Denga de. Denga de my political party but Banaro SPLIG. Who is your candidate? Who is your candidate for election? Look at Salva Kiir. Take a good look at Salva Kiir. Can you shoot Salva Kiir quest? Zol ma bagdare kalam. Ma bagdare wanas. Ma bagdare door. Ma bagdare jere. Zol be shilu fi election. The dollar with a dollar that manin. The dollar with a not bleeding. And be shield zol yandere for election. Look at Museveni. Look at Museveni in Uganda. Museveni is just a whole age. Like Museveni is a goey. Museveni got injury. Museveni got a duk bunya. Museveni got amul push up. Like raised but a danga. Raised but a danga, quar danga. Lana SPLA IG is a political party for Dinka. Dominantly Dinka. Got Jake the Dinka. Was the refer the Dinka. Raised the Dinka. Sharamid the Dinka. Sukurjin the Dinka. But Tumbak the Dinka. Everything is Dinka. So the political party belong to Dinka. That's why few days ago, now the Ragaude Kulu, all the officers have been promoted from the military rank or police, the Kulu Dinka. Why? Lana, that political party belong to Dinka. When you come to social media, who is supporting SPLM from other tribes? The Munu Al-Gadamul support. Anga from the Gabila Tan Al-Gadamul support the SPLIG. Nobody. They Gabila white, but fi Kalabas, they Gabila white. Banaro, Afara, Kotum, they Gabila white, but fi Facebook, they Gabila white. Now, like when you want that Munu. So the political party, but are one tribe. Now, the question it is, let me give you the fucking benefit of the doubt. That's free election. Lana ma free election. Le, lana, no guard fi unimis. Under UN protection. Fi Juba. No are getting killed. But Tayarata Uganda fi Jolau. Those are the reasons. That's no election will be conducted fi 2026. Ma fi election. Shulugad fi Malta ne mind to Arada Betao. Arada Betao ma fi. Equatorial guard with your guard was for Rajubal. Now the two of the guard for Rajubal. Tori de Kalau Ledanga. Now Lumne de Kalau Ledanga. Now Juba de Kalau Ledanga. Danga is speaker, Juba, not Dinka. It is sure? Nas be Bargazal, Nas guiding for unimis. Nas be Boor guiding for unimis. Nas be Bentiu, Nas guiding for unimis. Those are the reasons why there is no election for Senator. Danka Zaru. The fucking Dinka. The tribe Noon and fucking Dinka got a Burjel Bellet. God for Kakuma refugee camp. Motherfucker under UN protection. Under UN protection. For almost 50 years. 50 years. And they're running their mouth about UN need to be closed. UN, Malabogolo. UNIMIS need to be closed. UNIMIS need to be closed. Oh, fucking Dinka. Gabila Dinka. Gabila Banado fucking Dinka. They got for under UN protection for almost 50 years. Kakuma they can't fatao for 1992. Dominantly Dinka. Udenga lose a guard for you. Ile Denga guard for Kakuma dana lodola they feel election. What the fuck are they doing in Kakuma? Denga they got amal junu for Kakuma. Lo fee election bamalo. So there's too many fucking reasons that's my election, Bamalu. Oh yeah, there's too many fucking reasons. That's sign of reason that's my election, Bamalu. But let's give benefit of the doubt to Denga. El Mugafalindel, El Sajmanindel, El Awirindel, El Quinwagdel. Today is on 16 February. Shara Najar Fadal Ashara Shar was 10 months. Wokidazare, kan Salbakir Bodor fi Bargazal, Walayat Kulu. Lode Salbakir, your candidate, Bitakum. Kan Salbakir Bodor fi Walayat Kulu. Bamji Bargazal, Walayata Bargazal, Bamji Warab, Bamji Northern Awel, Bamji Wow, Bamji Wen, Bamji Jungle, Bamji Walayata Alanil, Bamji Walayata Weda, Bentil, Unity State, Bamji Abie, Bamji Ruweng, Bamji Pibor, Bamji Ayamal, talking to people. Lakin Salva Kiir cannot talk. Salva Kiir cannot talk. Salva Kiir cannot walk. Mabador, Mabakalam. Ilaza, who the fuck are we electing? Yeah, Sajmanin. Do you not Sajmanin? Do you not Sajmanin? Do you danga? Do you not believe in Zekum? You think people are stupid like you? Do you say you know Sudan the Kulu? The bell the Kulu believe in Zekum. Achanazi, Shilona for election, Mazol and Mat Kalas. Salva Kiir Mashi Mugaber. Salva Kiir is going to cemetery. Aja Salva Kiir now, Baba Kiir Batakumde. He doesn't need election. Or their medical attention. Lana Loma Bamji Musaj Babamut. Loma Bamji Musaj Babamut. Belu, I didn't get it out. Then now ngong the kind of bang bakalam far as I eleng the Demon election. Should we elect somebody like this? To do what? Zolama Badre chill Malaga could have Kushimao. Zolama Bagdare Kalam. Zolama Bagdare door. Somebody who cannot talk, cannot walk. Ganamal Fadil and us with Gamalam Kulu. Gadalam Kulu, the entire African nation. God is shooting everywhere. God is shooting in Nigeria. Could be online. Go to online. They should be the other Nigeria. God is shooting for Ghana. For Facebook. God is shooting for TikTok. For Ghana, for Nigeria, for Cameroon, for Kenya, for Uganda, everywhere. For Sudan, for Somalia. God is shooting. God look at this motherfucker. Now the guy, the cut of Africa. They call them African. African Shabab with Africa Kulu. They're uniting against Danga. That's got shoes only. Got the door kept. God for Addis Ababa representing the entire nation of Africa. Ela Javlo Warga Zere Galo Baba Kira, I can read this motherfucker. No, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck. Read it. My president Danga. The Danga Jabita. Read it. Read it. Tell Africa, what do you have up here? The Makaral guy bottom the my shittle guy bottom the What do you have for Africa? What do you have to offer for African people? Son of a bitch cannot talk. My doctor got higher. He'll a bit betau, but mal down there, big amal there. A great big amal there. Why are you so ashamed of your father? Why are you so ashamed of your father now? This is what you've been doing for many years. Shaming South Sudanese. So now you realize that your father is shaming people. Bakalam kursi bas bany betadinkum. Bany betadinkum. Bany ma bakalam. Bany ma bador. Bany, what kind of bany it is? Shala McQuaintut Abu Kunjur, Law Maluban with Sudan, he will do 10 times better than this motherfucker. McQuaintut Browers, Fiayot. McQuaintut Lord Jabu Fiayot, Ukadu Mala Salbakere, Abu Kunjur. McQuaintut will do 10 times better than this stupidity, but I anger. But this useless idiot. El Madam Musaifa, Bakalam Bany. No, got the door, Bany. What we into the movie for America, into the movie for America, Walking Dead. But not Walking Dead for America, Zambi. No, get the fuck out of here. Mafi election. Mafi election. Kulu election mafi. That son of a bitch with a denga, the book to Manda, my emut, my yam dark, galu le John Garang. I know that they're entitled to Sudan. We want to liberate ourselves from Sudan. Self-determination. Now, we need the united Sudan. Charles John Garang, why do you didn't send a book to the finance because I'm united to not? Lakin ma rubuna indu tariga batao. Rubuna indu tariga batao. Rubuna katal John Garang, ujunub jabu. Yeah, rubuna katal John Garang, ujunub jabu. Denga bishakal ma rubuna. Rubuna babiula Uganda. Dema Uganda zari o katal John Garang. De Uganda zari o katal John Garang. Galu di tor John Garang ya. Let's fight for South Sudan. Only South fucking Sudan. Southern Sudan. Galu no. Anana denga. They're united Sangot. United Sangot. United Tangot. Kataluna school because I'm united Tangot. Then what happened? God went to work. When God say yes, nobody will say no. God went to work. Katal John Garang. Ujunub jabu. Now God is working on Salva Kiir. God is killing Salva Kiir slowly, day by day, slowly, day by day, slowly. Bra, but boktul be Salva Kiir. The Robuna. The munu be shagal Robuna. Ma bizol. Bar shoya Salva Kiir be mut be shilu fu mugabir de John Garang. O salam be jibu fi junuf. U junuf bu kun dola kwez. Budun Salva Kiir budun John Garang. Lana muk buta denga de muk ma kwez. The mukma quest, Bogul le denga, we will do something good. La 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 la. Elengot, kalam la galium da denga. Namalai the quest. La 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 la. United Sudan, Cataluna's kulum, Taraduna's kulum, Araguna's kulum. Bakalam United Tangot. Ela wow, SPLM Amisik wow for 21 years. SPLM Amisik Malakal, SPLM Amisik Juba, SPLM Gadi Shakal Bilakat. Lakat. Bakul bibagar ramotanin benek fi binat fanas baktulu fi lakat bas fi junuf bas bakalam United Sudan. Lakin what happened? Marubuna ja tala dindenga zaro shal batal bada denga de majura denga John Garang de jadaw ted bra jebel rub denga ma fi fogo u junubin galay junub bejebu ma derin Sudan. Ujunub jabu wala mwagi balele so lele gado gul le denga sajman bidagum le shilu bara umad kalas shilu bara kadam ji musaifa let him go somewhere la ko jabalo election e ngabalo election ke wo de munu album election ma nas album election zol de mad kalas ache jam leo cha saken mafi de munu album election day, Salva Kiir Kaniji bara kalama support the batao. Let him come outside today, for radio, the Monday. Let him address his supporters. Let him talk to his supporters. As to why his supporters need to re-elect him. Salva Kiir bakalama kujum namunu. Bador bakura abramunu. Tumuchum do Junubin de Lanas believing they come to Dankade. Or they should be killing Danga my neighbor for Junubsrat. They should know the killing Danga my neighbor for Junubsrat. They should know the killing Danga my Tulu for Junubsrat. They should know the killing Danga my Molo isolate for Junubsrat. They should know the killing Danga my Tarodobara for Junubsrat. What is it? They give Lena Zol Taban, the Zol Mat Kalas, Zol Maboderakil, Zol Maboderamam Nupso, Zol Maboderi Kulfi Fakana Brau. God in the Dabu Genezo. God in the Dabu Kushumu. Ajat Kulu is done by somebody else. God the door for Gadam not there. Majid. Yazol to Machiwen. Walk straight to Machiwen as well. Focus, motherfucker. Amal Fadil, African Kulu.